You've built success, but something's missing. You're making great money, but you're trading your life for it. You know there's a better way. You just haven't found it yet. Maybe you're in a burnout trap where you're successful on paper and yet exhausted in reality. Maybe you're working 60 hours a week and that's become your normal, and time off feels like a foreign concept. Or maybe you've hit that revenue plateau. No matter how hard you work, your income stays stuck while your stress levels skyrocket and your free time is way down. Your business demands everything. Maybe you're leaving scraps for your health, for your relationships, and for your personal dreams. You're successful, but you're not fulfilled. You want to make a bigger difference. You're too busy, though, to focus on what really, really matters: meaningful growth and a legacy. This is your Phoenix Rising transformation. It's a comprehensive retreat designed to create and elevate every aspect of your life. We begin with a visionary foundation. We define your true north, and you get to create a life vision that truly lights you up to create sustainable living in a healthy and beautiful, delicious way so you can have your health, your relationships, and all the personal fulfillment that you desire and that you deserve. It's time. You can create even more delicious life. I know that you can. This is your moment. If you have what it takes to create the lifestyle you truly desire, and I know you do, the only question is this: are you going to do it today? Or are you going to have the same conversation with yourself next year? This experience is limited to only 20 women. 7 spots remain. Time to claim yours.